So good morning, children. So come to the sixth chapter. I already given some videos for this to make you people understand. Okay, the chapter is aging and masking layer in flesh. Okay, so some videos I already given and you people responded that you understand little bit. Okay, so for giving overviews only, I just given that particular videos. So let's start your chapter from the beginning. Okay, easing and masking. So the chapter name is easing and masking. Masking in layer. Masking layer in flesh. Sorry, layers in flesh. Okay, so first of all we are going to learn what is easing and what is masking. Okay, so once we are going to read, okay, from your book, come to the page number 58. Come to the page number 58. See, in your previous class you had learned about motion twins. In this chapter we will learn another way to control your motion twins. It is done through the option is called easing. Easing allow you to create an animation that will start slow and then speed up. Okay, ease in means sometimes it is going to be fast. Okay, suppose just like you are just watching the videos, maybe in the WhatsApp, maybe in the TikTok previously. Okay, so some videos are there going very fast. Okay, and then it is very coming very slow. Okay, so in that way, in that process, easing is there, or start fast and slow down toward the end is out. By default, ease is set at 0, which gives the animation a constant speed. Means ease by default it's give the constant speed, means average speed, but you are going to decrease or increase for slow and fast. A step listed below to help you to ease out the motion of your graphics. To adjust your easing setting, just click on any frame of your twin. In the frame properties box, see the figure 1. This is the frame property box. Okay, a second, let me adjust first. Okay, see in this one, see easing. So this is by default. You can just go forward also, come backward also for fasting and slowing. Understood? Easing default is set 0. See the 0 already set with slider in the center. You can very easily rise or lower the easing value from 100 to -100 or to any other value in between. Positive value make the movement start at slow speed and end up with a fast speed. Negative values make it start at fast speed and end with the low speed. See, in the positive value, if there is a positive value, it is means that the movement start very slow. Positive means it will be slow and end with the fast, and negative value means it will be start with the fast and just it is going to be end with the slow. Okay, so easing means the frame. Okay, the frame is going to be run slow or fast. Okay, it is decided by the easing. So this is the meaning of easing. So in my word I am going to just explain it. Making, okay, here it is giving making animation slow or fast. Okay, that is called easing with a different positive value or negative value. Okay, so by default the value is 0. if we are giving positive value, means it will start, okay, it will start slow. What will start? Animation will start slow and end with fast. And if you are giving negative value, then start with fast and end with slow. Okay, so this is called easing. Now if you can see this one, easing motion is illustrated in figure 2 to figure 6. Okay, from figure 2 you can see from figure 2, figure 3, and then figure 4, 5 and 6. This is the animation only. Circle with the number 3 erase at 40 is in. Okay, this 3 is, okay, easing with plus 40. Circle 2 is erase with minus 40, and circle 1 is 0 constant. At a time, all 3 circle in the same position. At timeline 5, circle 1 is ahead, circle 2 is trailing behind 1, and circle 3 is trailing behind 1 and 2. Means they are coming in this way, in this second figure. Now circle at timeline 10. Now see again coming. Okay, so in this way, now again at the last they are coming to the end position. Okay. Means the end position will be the same. Some are coming fast and going slow, some are coming slow going fast. Okay, so distance is same only. Suppose here circle 3, 2, 1 is there. Suppose if I'm telling 3, 2 and 1, so suppose this is coming very fast up to here, this is coming very slow up to here. Okay, and this is constantly coming, means average. So average, it will taking this is coming very fast, so taking 2 minutes. This is coming very slow, so taking 1 minute. And this is average, means 1.5 minute, means half minute. Okay, now again this is coming fast. No, this is coming fast, this is coming slow, this is average. So when it is coming fast, now it will go slow. Okay, so it will take 1 minute, and 3 is here. Now it will go fast. Okay, it will take 2 minutes. Okay, suppose 2 is here, and average again it will take same time, 1.5. Okay, so again it is here. So both means 1, 2, 3. These 3s are taking the same time, 3 minutes, to reach the destination at the end. But some are in the beginning very fast, at the end very slow. Some are at the beginning very slow, at the end very fast. Some are average only. Okay, so come to the page number 60. Notice that, what we notice, circle 1 move fast and constant speed. Circle 2 start fast but low speed at the end. Circle 3 starts slowly but gained speed in the end. Circle 1 reach the end first and end first. Circle 2 and then 3 reach the end at the same time. Okay, so in this way this movement is there. So I think you'll understand what is easing. Means making the animation fast and slow, maybe in the beginning, maybe in the end. Now see masking effect. What is masking? You can create mask layer to show or hide parts of your content in a flash. Means masking layer means showing and hiding parts. Okay, maybe you see this figure. In the first figure, one girl is there. Okay, means his all body and face is looking in the circle. But if you come to the second, okay, this girl's, I think, half part is hidden. Okay, so masking means hiding and showing. Means it's depend upon you which portion you want to show and which portion you want to hide. This effect is done by the masking effect. You can create mask layer to show or hide parts of your content in the Flash presentation. It works like a window blocking out everything but a certain area that you define. A mask control visible area on or more layer. Any shape, symbol or text can be used as a mask. Means any shape, symbol and text can be used as a mask. Consider the following analogy. Suppose you have a sheet of white paper on which you cut a circle at a center. Then you move the sheet over the picture. You will see that only that part of picture is visible which is below the cut portion, while rest of the picture is hidden or masked by the sheet. Figure 7 can help you to understand the concept. Okay, so already I just explained this one. The shape you place in the mask layer define the area that will be visible of the layer below it. The area could be any shape such as a circle, oval, square, rectangle. Okay, so in any circle the masking is going to be take place, maybe in the circle, oval, square, rectangle and so on. You can also animate a mask and create great effect in your Flash presentation. Now see, here steps are given how to mask. First of all, open a new Flash document and import an image into the stage. Means you have to open the software and you have to take one image. With the file import, you have to go to the file import and import a stage. Means with this file import, we are going to select some images. Okay, see here, go to the file. Okay, and then you have to go to the import, then import a stage. Okay, so just see this. Suppose this typing mask text on the important picture. Okay, now see this beach is written on one picture. Okay, we'll see in the next page what it's going to be given. Rename layer 1 as picture. Insert a new layer. Rename that layer as a mask. Okay, text beach and type the word beach on that layer. Means just rename a layer 1 and just again take the new layer. On that you are going to mask text beach. Okay, on the mask text beach layer, right click and select mask. See, on the right clicking here and selecting mask. As you see in figure 11, okay, the picture of the beach is hidden except where the type beach. Okay, means all the pictures are hidden. Only beach is there. In this example we use text to create a mask over the image. Means this text is the mask for the beach. Okay, beach is hidden and now the photographs of beach is hidden and the text is appearing on the top. So this is called masking. Okay, so mask animation, how the animation is going to be takes place in the mask. Mask animation give us the ability to mask, hide object during an animation. Rename layer 1 as a hidden layer, text type hello. Insert a new layer, draw a circle using the oval tool or rename it mask circle. On the mask circle layer, insert keyframe on frame 5 and 10. Create a motion tween on the frame 5 mask circle. Move the circle to the right. Right click on the mask circle layer and select mask. Press Ctrl plus enter to activate the animation. Take a look at the animation. Notice that the hello text is only visible inside the circle. Okay, we'll see in the next page. See, first hello is written. Okay, then one circle is taken. Okay, one circle is drawn. Then again creating motion tweet is done. And on the mask, okay, on the first mask is used. Now see, a circle moving over the text means this circle is moving over the text. when the circle is, let me explain in the copy. Suppose I am writing hello, okay, and one circle is there. Understood? One circle is there. So when this circle is moved this side, suppose HELLOW, hello, sorry, the hello is written here, hello, this. So when this circle moves, okay, then first it will come up to here, okay. So this part is hidden. Again when move this side, then HELLOI. So now up to this part is hidden, only this part is looking. You can see in your book also on page 62, okay. Again HELLO again is there. So when now this part is there, okay. So only HEOO exclamatory. Now only if the circle moves this side, okay, if the circle moves this side, then this part is going to be so, and this part is going to be hidden. And lastly if the circle moves, then only this part is visible, this part is not visible, okay. So in this way circle moving over the text is in this way, this circle is moving. Understood? Creating a circle on the new layer. So this is only the criteria, this is only the procedure, okay. This circle is moving. I think this chapter is very small, and I think this finish only, okay. And I already given, so maybe I'll give this correct options and fill in the blanks, okay, today. And the next question is go for the question answer also. Question is only 2 questions is there, okay. So this chapter is finished only, very small, okay. So now the 7th chapter is conditional statement in Q Basic 64. So this have some database software, okay, and different condition is there, if else. So we'll discuss in the next class regarding this chapter. And I want to show you the content. Content. Suppose first number system, computer, arithmetic finish, more window 10 finish, doing more with the Excel finish, working with the chart finish, using symbol in flash, easing and masking. 6 chapter is finished. And now conditional statement in Cube 64, more on loop. Okay, so these 3 chapter, this three chapter is from the Q Basic. If there is some provision that in the final exam some chapter have to be excluded, so we'll exclude this one, okay. If some chapter has to be removed from the syllabus, then I will remove these things, okay, because this is somehow different from the it is about the database, okay. We'll see. This is the future planning. So now our 6th chapter is finished, fairly portion is finished, okay. So we'll see in the next class. Thank you.